Wave tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, in this video I will show you all that you guys need to know about Wave accounting and how you can use this particular software for your small business needs and also for your bigger business needs as well. But this software is more oriented towards small businesses. So over here, when you guys come on to waveapps.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So over here you guys can see all of their features such as a user-friendly dashboard, peace of mind for tax, their in-house team of bookkeeping and accounting, and also a complete picture of your business/health. You also have the option for invoicing, payments, accounting, bankroll, payroll, advisory, and so many more stuff. So we're going to sign in right now so that I could show you everything that you guys need to see. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google and I'll sign up right now. But if you guys have an account already, well then you guys can just simply log in. So as soon as you guys have signed up, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So over here, you guys have the option to do professional invoicing, better bookkeeping, or just keeping a reliable payroll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on professional invoicing for now. And of course, you guys can choose whatever starting point suits you the best. But for me, it's going to be professional invoicing. So now from over here, it's going to ask you, what do you want to do? So over here, I'm going to choose create invoices. Now, please note that you guys can do all of these things later on as well. Once you guys have chosen these options in the start, you guys can, of course, jump straight to accepting payments or creating estimates or so many other different features once you guys have actually jumped into the software. So I'm just going to choose create invoices and now I'm going to click on let's go. Now it's going to take me over here. So now from over here, I can see that they have this really nice logo maker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop a logo that I have in my computer. So as soon as I drag and drop this logo, well then after that, now I can see that we have this particular logo over here. Now I can also choose an accent color over here or simply put in a color code over here to make this invoice. And then I can click on looks great, let's go. And now of course over here, I can just simply fill in all of this information and my invoice is going to be created. So that is how easy it is to create invoices with Wave accounting. Now on the left side, you guys can see all of their features. You guys have the option to make purchases. You guys have the option to do accounting, banking, payroll. You guys also have the option to view reports and also the option to view all of your sales options as well, such as estimate, invoices, which we are seeing right now, recurring invoices, if you want to have an invoice set up for every single date for a month. And then after that, of course, you guys also have the option to view your checkouts, your payments, customer statements, customers, and also products and services as well, if that's something that you guys want to keep track of. So let's firstly start with the launch pad. So as soon as you click on the launch pad, that is going to take you guys over to the main page that you saw at the very start. So now from over here, you guys can choose any option that you want. But if you guys don't want to go with these options, well then simply jump straight to the option of your choice. If you want to do something in sales, click on sales. If you want to do some accounting, click on accounting. Some banking, well then of course banking. And if you want to also keep track of your payroll, well then simply click on payroll. So I'm going to click on sales. And now let's say if I want to keep track of my checkouts, I'll click on checkouts. And now from over here, you guys can see that you can accept payments directly from your website. No coding is required and they just have this very small fee over here. And of course over here you can see many more options as well. And of course you can keep track of your payments as well. So if you want to make payments, well you can just simply add them over here in this particular section. And then after that, all of your payments are going to be tracked, whether that be your Netflix subscription or whatever else. You can just simply keep track of all of that stuff. And then you also have the option to view your customer statements as well. And if any customer has any outstanding invoice, well then you can just simply let them know and they can just simply give you that payment if that payment is still pending. And of course you guys can add in as many customers as you want. So the process of adding in a customer is very easy. You simply put in a customer name, you put in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and then of course their account number, website, notes, and then of course at the end their company. So that is how easy it is for you guys to just simply create a customer. You can also add in their billing information, shipping information, and click on save. And then of course over here you have their products and services option. So over here you guys can see all of your products and services. You guys can click on add a product or service, and then you guys are going to be able to simply add in a product or a service. So if you're someone who sells videos, well then you can just type in over here videos and you can type in a description over here. And then of course you can also choose the price and also for how much are you selling this for. And also if you want to sell this or buy this, you have both options over here. And if there's any sales text, you can also add in that text over here as well. All of these options are over here for you guys. And of course, at the very start, you have the option for recurring invoices as well. If you want to set those up, you can set those up to go out on one date every other month. And of course, you also have the option for estimates as well. So all of these options are available over here for you guys, and you guys can keep track of all of your sales via this. You also have the option to see all of your purchases such as bills, vendors, products, and services, like I mentioned before. And of course, the option to do accounting. You can keep track of all your transactions, all your reconciliations, your chart of accounts, and also you can hire a bookkeeper as well. So over here, when you come onto the reconciliation panel, over here you can type in your cash on hand, and you can also type in your Wave payroll carrying money. And of course, you can hire a bookkeeper as well if you want to, because what this bookkeeper is going to do is that this bookkeeper is completely going to take care of all of your books, and you will be able to just simply keep track of all of your accounting in one place. And then at the end, when the time comes, you can also file your taxes with confidence as well using Wave Accounting's amazing services. And then of course, you can file all of your taxes by using their service or by filing them yourself, and they can just simply give you all the invoices and everything that you need to just basically file your taxes. So that is how easy it is for you guys to just manage all of your accounting with Wave. And of course, you have so many more features over here and options that you guys can choose from. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to show you the pricing. So the best part about Wave Accounting is their pricing. Their pricing is absolutely free. Now, what they do is that they don't charge you for anything related to accounting, banking, or invoicing, but they charge you for all their additional features such as advisors, payroll, payments, and of course their tax feature as well. So again, this is a very good software for all the small businesses out there to basically make their invoices, do some accounting, and take care of their banking. So all in all, this is a solid software, and I would highly recommend this to anybody who is just starting out and who wants to just basically get some accounting done for his or her business. And guys, in the end, I would just like to say one more thing, that if you guys found this method helpful, and if you guys think that this method actually works, if you guys feel like this method is the perfect one for you, then be sure to share this method with your friends and family as well, because then all of your loved ones are also going to be able to make money alongside you. Because what's the fun in making money if you don't have the people you love around you making money as well? So what you need to do is that you need to share this video to your family's WhatsApp group, to your friends' WhatsApp groups, and also to your Instagram DMs as well, so all of those people could also make money. Because in the end, if you guys are all making money yourself, well then it's gonna be very, very fun, and you all are gonna become millionaires together. Now guys, this method also covers all the basics of how you can get started with these softwares or these make money online methods. And honestly, if you follow this step by step, then honestly you won't run into any problem. And again, one last thing, if you guys run into any problem, if you guys feel like you did not understand something, well, you guys can just simply watch this video again once and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then watch this video again and again till you guys completely understand, because sometimes you might miss this stuff, so it's always better to watch these videos again and again. And similarly, also tell your friends and family as well to watch this video again if they don't understand anything, because they covered everything. So everything that you need to know must be in this video. If you don't get it, well then simply watch this video again and you guys will definitely understand it. Again, in the end, I would just like to give you my well wishes. I hope that this method works for you and you guys are actually able to do what you want to do with these particular methods. Again, it's not gonna take much time, it's only gonna take a few minutes, so definitely give this video a quick rewatch if you don't understand anything, and good luck. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.